sugar to make some browning. I've run out of browning, so I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way, and that is to brown my sugar in some oil. Alright, so watch the process, guys. I'm going to put down some pork, some stewed pork I'm going to do today. So I already season up my pork. Alright, and I have some carrot on the pork, cut up with my garlic, tomato, scallion, and all of those good stuff. Alright, so look, it is taking place. They said if you let it burn too dark, it will get bitter, so we don't want none of that. So you see, I think I should put it in the pork now. I'm going to make it burn just a little bit more. First time I'm doing this. First time I'm doing this, sorry. Alright, so we're going to put in our pork at this time. And I'm putting them one by one. Like when my pork is fried, I like it fried before I start to cook it down. So guys, meat in the pot already. Just here, I have a headache, so just I go lie down. Yeah, in the meantime, just going to lay down, get a little bit of rest, then we go look on the pot. Yeah, so today I'm cooking pork, stew pork. Maybe I cook it with some rice and peas, I don't sure, or maybe plain rice, not sure yet. But here guys, I'm here relaxing. So guys, I tell you the place at night time, how you all been doing through this heat. The place is hot this summer, and yeah, kids them off on holiday, guys. So tell me how I do at home with so much of their problem. Can you know picnic come with problem? Yeah. Isabel is around the living room. She's doing some book work. They gave her some book work from this morning. Every day, me and Gabby try to give her some reading and spelling and them something there. Yeah, cause she love, you know, she love guys. She love to do maths. Yeah, she love maths. Hope when she get bigger in high school or primary school, she will love it also. But she love maths. Yep. So guys, hope you are enjoying this little vlog of mine. Yeah. And for those who are new here, welcome to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, like up the video, share it with a friend or a family. Tell them to go and watch the Smith's World. Alright. Yep. Oh, and I posted a video yesterday with the graduation, guys. Did you see Isabel? Did you see her speech? Oh, she angled it. Yeah, she angled it really good. She have a brain there. She remember everything. She say she do four things, and she didn't read any of any paper. She just do it out of her head. Yeah, she memorized everything. She did a poem, and she did a presentation. She presented a gift to her, what you can call it, past teacher. She taught her at her first school. Yes, and she wrote that poem for Isabel to do at the graduation. So the poem that Bella did, the teacher wrote that for her to do. Yes, so she present her a gift, and she did the welcome, and she did a song. Yes, my Izzy is doing so good in school, and I know she will continue to high school and college. Yes, she will do so. Guys, me just get interrupted. Yes, I don't even remember what me did I say. Yeah, as I said before, Bella is doing well in school, so hope she carry it to high school, and in primary school. She's going to primary school September, so I'm praying that she will just settle down and comfortable and all of that. Yeah, so that's it. I'm going to go and check on the pork, so let's go. So here I have everything in the pot. I think it would be a bit browner, but let's see. I think I should have let the sugar burn some more, but I didn't want to run the risk of letting it bitter. They say if you let it burn too much, it will get bitter. So learn from all of that. And this pork here is very soft, guys. Very soft. It's not going to take a long time to cook. But I'm going to just let it stay like this. Go and stir and let it stew. The only thing, I'm not going to put any water on it as yet. Just going to let it stay like that and fry. Yeah, I'm going to use the peas from the tin. Alright. Yes, I'm in my kitchen, guys. I'm in my kitchen. So yeah, I'm going to cook the peas straight from the tin. Alright. So some of you may not like the peas from the tin. I don't really like it, but time. You have to watch the time. I can't go to pressure no peas right now. So I'm going to use the peas from the tin. Say hi, Isabel.
Hi, guys.
Alright. So this is the peas that I'm talking about. Black beans. I'm going to use this. Yep. So I'll be cooking some brown stew pork with rice and peas. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, people. So here is my pork. So I'm just letting it fry down. It tastes better when you fry down the pork before you pour in the water in. Pork is something that you have to cook really properly. So I'm going to let this fry down some more before I pour in the water. And I'm not going to close the pot at this time. So as I said, guys, I'm going to cook some rice and peas. Right, I have some peas from the tin. Yeah, never use that one there. Cause today I Wednesday. Yeah, I'm just decide to now put this. So I did not soak any peas. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the peas. So guys, I'm going to put some water in at this time. Not a whole lot of water. I'm going to close it now. Alright, so I'm going to show you how my pork is looking. Look at that. It's looking nice. So I'm going to let this cook down some more before I throw any more water in it. And it is smelling so good, guys. My stew pork. Can you smell it, guys? Let me know if you can smell it. Oh my god, it is smelling so good. I wish you could smell it for real. Alright, so my peas, just pouring the peas in the pot. I don't season it up as yet, guys, so you know it look a real, it look like water. Alright, so I'm gonna make this boil up some more. Then me season it up with my scallion and thyme and my coconut powder like this. Alright, so just stick around, guys. Alright guys, so here I have my scallion and my pepper, garlic and thyme and my coconut juice. So I'm going to pour it in my pot at this time. That is boiling up. To pour them into my pot with my peas, of course. So I'm going to pour in the coconut milk, scallion and thyme with my pepper and garlic. I'm going to let this boil down some more before I wash my rice and put in my rice. It's not a lot of peas. We don't want a lot of peas. If you want, if you're going to use tin peas, you can maybe use a two tins or 1.5, but today I don't want a lot of peas, right? So yeah, I'm going to let this cook some more, boil down some more. All right, so let's check in on our pork. Ooh, that is looking so good. So you see guys, the sugar, when it burns, it's not that black. The meat is not white. We don't want any white meat. So just a nice color. Gives a nice color, people. All right. So we're going to cover this back. Guys, I use this jerk seasoning on the pork, and this one it gives a nice flavor. Home choice. This is home choice brand. Yeah, jerk seasoning, all Jamaican product, guys. So we're going to put in our Maggi season, all purpose. No. And some salt, not a lot of salt. And we're going to mix all of this together. All right, so we're going to check in on our pork. Ooh. All right, so at this time it is very tender, so I'm going to put in my seasoning at this time. So I have my garlic, tomato, carrot, and scallion and thyme. And what else I put in? This tomato. Yeah, so I'm going to pour this into my pot there. All right, and then I'm going to pour some water into my container here. To make my gravy. Look at that, people. Looking so good, and it is tasting wonderful. Real Jamaican style stew pork. Yes. So I'm going to close my pot now and let it simmer down. So now we're going to check in on our rice and peas to see how it is looking. Turn down my stove. All right. So there is my peas, rice and peas. All right. Cover this and let it do its thing. All right, guys. So we're going to check in on the pork, and my pork is ready. Look at my gravy. No long gravy around here. My gravy is well thick. Look at my gravy, people. Nice. So I can turn off the stove at this point. Yeah, finish. So I'm going to check on the rice now. My rice is steaming. Rice is steaming. I'll just steam some more. All right, so stay tuned, guys. People, the pork is finished. Time hot, you see, guys. Me have to wipe every minute. Wipe sweat. Yeah. The pork is finished, so the rice and peas is now it's steaming. Yeah, steaming. So I will let you all see when I plate my husband dinner. So I'm just waiting on that to finish cook. Yep. So my rice and peas and pork on Wednesday. Yeah, so please remember to like up the video, comment in the comment section, right? And you can let me know what you'd want to see me do next in the next video. All right, so stay tuned. So here you have it, guys, my rice and peas. stewed pork with my cucumber, lettuce, and tomato at the side. So thanks for watching this little video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.